First open an image in Photoshop. Double-click on the image layer. Select drop-down option, and adjust selections according to need. Now right-click on the drop-down and create a new layer. Select Drop Shadow Layer and press Ctrl+D button. Hold the Ctrl button and adjust the shadow according to your need.